How Bitcoin became digital gold. A complete history today. Bitcoin reached an all-time high of between $117,000 and $118,000, an astonishing milestone. From a mysterious creator to early users who became millionaires. This is the story of the world's most influential cryptocurrency. Chapter 1. The enigma of Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin was born with a white paper published on October 31, 2008, titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, by the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto. Freeman Lau on January 3, 2009. The first Bitcoin block was mined, the Genesis block. Satoshi disappeared between 2010 and 2011, leaving nearly 1 million BTC untouched to this day. To this day, his true identity remains unknown, fueling endless speculation. Chapter 2. The early years 2009-2012. Among the early users was Hal Finney, who received the first Bitcoin transaction from Satoshi. Bitcoin Pizza Day. On May 22, 2010, 10,000 BTC bought 2 pizzas, which are now worth over $100 million. In August 2010, a critical bug briefly generated 184 billion BTC in a single transaction, which was later reversed. By 2012, major retailers and foundations such as EFF, Freenet, and WordPress began accepting BTC. Chapter 3. Growth, Bust, and Adoption 2013-2019. A major boom in 2013. Empty box collapses after losing 850,000 BTC, weakening confidence in Bitcoin. Governments began regulating BTC fencing in the arts, and China imposed drastic measures between 2013 and 2014. In 2017, Bitcoin reached nearly $20,000, driven by retail investment. Infrastructure and public services improved with the Lightning Network, Segwit, and cryptocurrency ATMs worldwide. Chapter 4. Institutional legitimacy 2002 for companies such as MicroStrategy and MassMutual adopted Bitcoin as a reserve asset. PayPal enabled BTC transactions in late 2020. In 2021, Bitcoin surpassed $1 trillion in market capitalization. The first Bitcoin ETFs were launched in late 2021, led by firms such as BlackRock and Fidelity. El Salvador adopted Bitcoin as legal tender in September 2021. In March 2025, the US issued an executive order to create a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Chapter 5. The rise to $117,000 2005. As of July 11, 2025, Bitcoin was trading between $117,000 and $118,000, fueled by massive inflows into spot ETFs over $51 billion to date and favorable risk policy. This rally has created hundreds of new millionaires, and even short sellers have suffered massive losses. The big picture. Why it matters to daily limited supply. Only 21 million BTC can ever exist. Digital scarcity. Decentralization. No central bank can manipulate it. Store of value. Digital gold. And a hedge against government inflation weaver. Bitcoin remains volatile and subject to regulation. Its future depends on its adoption, scalability, and global acceptance. But one thing is clear, it has redefined money forever. Final thoughts, July 11, 2025. From an anonymous white paper to a record-breaking digital asset valued in the hundreds of billions, Bitcoin's journey is truly epic. If you want to delve deeper into the history and trends of cryptocurrencies, subscribe and don't miss our next episode.